Father's Day is on Sunday, and it's so special to me because our fathers work so hard. I want to honor all the dads and make this delicious breakfast with you. I'm gonna make caramelized banana stuffed crepe, crunchy, soft, sweet banana, layers of crepe stuffed with ricotta cheese or chocolate, and we have some whipped cream on top. It's gonna be delicious. I love this breakfast. At first, we're gonna make the crepes. This is very easy recipe, which will make 6 crepes. We'll need 1 cup of warm milk. It should be warm to touch. Add 1 egg, 1/4 of a cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Blend it with a hand blender or a food processor. This method will get rid of all the lumps and you'll get very smooth mixture. Before each crepe, I'll brush some butter on a hot pan and I'll fry these on medium-high heat. When the edges turn golden in color, I'm gonna use a silicone spatula, go around to loosen up the edges, and then simply flip it over. The other side should take about 7 seconds. Then we'll need 1 banana. Cut it into half and then into 4 thin, long slices. I'm gonna add some butter and fry these on melted butter. Then flip them over. You want them to be in butter, so add more if you need to. And because these are caramelized bananas, I'll be sprinkling some sugar every time I'll be flipping them over. Sugar will heat up and caramelize and form this crunchy crust, delicious. And some more sugar, this is my second time. And this is how they look when done. You can see it's still light but rich brown golden color. I'm gonna put 2 crepes for you to show you how I do it. This one will be with chocolate, so I'm gonna sprinkle some chocolate. Fold it into half and then quarter. Flip it over. You want the chocolate to melt inside. Top the crepe with that caramelized, delicious banana. I'm gonna sprinkle some powdered sugar and finish with some cold whipped cream. Another filling that I absolutely love is ricotta cheese or farmer's cheese. It goes very well with some cinnamon and honey or maple syrup. This crepe is something else. It's beyond delicious. I want to wish every dad a happy Father's Day.